Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your page been a blessing. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is attention to the little things. The small things make a huge difference. You know what we say on this page: the smallest screw in a table, if it falls out, can ruin the entire stability of the table, and it can fall apart. So the small things, the small battles, you've won the whole entire war. Victory is in your path. You can see light at the end of the tunnel. But as you keep on walking, and you remember the battles, the small techniques, the small thoughts, to be able to stay positive, to be able to transcend, to make sure you keep moving forward. Remember those things, put them in your backpack. So when the time comes in the next level, in the next season, you already been fully prepared for every single battle, not just also winning the war. It makes life more comfortable and sustainable and enjoyable that way. Be prepared so you don't have to become prepared. I'm attentive to all that manifests within me. When negativity rises within me, I transform it into light, love, and hope. There's nothing that can fight these weapons. Light, love, and hope only can be reflected, and those can help you transcend to the next level. My love for others is unconditional. I forgive. My desire to improve is constant. I am firm because you're strong. You're brave because you are brave. You bend but never break. And you're hardworking, therefore you're going to get the job done. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.